Hi, how are you today? It's Vinny sensei, back for week 2 of the 5-week phrasal verb challenge. So in this challenge you're learning 5 phrasal verbs a week for 5 weeks. If you want to review week 1, please do so now, or if you're ready, please continue. So please hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. Your support is always appreciated. And now on to the lesson. Let's quickly review what a phrasal verb is and take a look at the phrasal verbs that we are going to study. So a phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition, and today you're going to study try on, get off, take off, look for, and put on. Let's review those one more time, and if you want to repeat, please do so. Try on, get off, take off, look for, put on. So, for example, try on. Try is a verb and on is a preposition. Together, try on is a phrasal verb. So the first exercise is a definition match. And in this exercise, you're going to match the phrasal verb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the correct definition A, B, C, D, E. So you can check your answers on the next page. So the phrasal verbs 1, try on, 2, get off, 3, take off, 4, look for, and 5, put on. Then we have the definitions. So A, exit a bus or a train. B, try to find something. C, check the size and style of clothing. D, start wearing something. E, when a plane leaves the ground. So again, go through the phrasal verbs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and match them to the correct definition A, B, C, D, E. Try to do this exercise by yourself first, and then if you need to, you can check a dictionary. Pause the video, and when you are ready to check your answers, please press play. So how did you do? Let's check your answers. So try on means check the size and style of clothing. Get off means exit a bus or a train. Take off means when a plane leaves the ground. Look for means try to find something. And put on means start wearing something. In the next exercise, you're going to complete the sentences. So take a look at the phrasal verbs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and choose which phrasal verb goes in each sentence, A, B, C, D, E. So let's review the phrasal verbs again. 1, try on. 2, get off. 3, take off. 4, look for. 5, put on. So choose which of those phrasal verbs goes in which sentence. Sentence A, I lost my keys. Can you help me nantoka them? Sentence B, this jacket is nice. I think I will nantoka it nantoka. C, sorry for the delay. We will nantoka for Heathrow Airport soon. Sentence D, it's cold outside, Tim. Nantoka a coat. Sentence E, you need to nantoka at Central Station and walk 2 minutes to the museum. So pause the video, work out your answers, and when you're ready, press play and check your answers. Let's check your answers then. So the first sentence, I lost my keys. Can you help me look for them? Sentence 2, this jacket is nice. I think I will try it on. Sentence 3, sorry for the delay. We will take off for Heathrow Airport soon. Sentence 4, it's cold outside, Tim. Put on a coat. And sentence 5, you need to get off at Central Station and walk 2 minutes to the museum. So in the next exercise, you're going to choose the best response, A, B, C, D, E, to the initial sentence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sentence 1, I lost my keys. Can you help me look for them? 2, this jacket is nice. I think I will try it on. 3, sorry for the delay. We will take off at Heathrow Airport soon. 4, it's cold outside, Tim. Put on a coat. 5, you need to get off at Central Station and walk 2 minutes to the museum. So now choose the best response, A, B, C, D, E. A, sure. Where did you last see them? B, please remain in your seats. C, the changing room is over there. D, thanks for your help. E, okay, do I need gloves? So pause the video, work out your answers, and when you're ready, please press play and you can check your answers. Check your answers. Pause the video if you need to. A, I lost my keys. Can you help me look for them? B, sure. Where did you last see them? A, this jacket is nice. I think I will try it on. B, the changing room is over there. A, sorry for the delay. We will take off for Heathrow Airport soon. B, please remain in your seats. A, it's cold outside, Tim. Put on a coat. B, okay, do I need gloves? A, you need to get off at Central Station and walk 2 minutes to the museum. B, thanks for your help. So how did you do? That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and please remember to like, share and subscribe for future content. You can leave your comments and any questions you may have below. So see you next lesson and have a great day.